Here's the thing. I consider myself to be in touch with the truth I want, so I don't habitually lie. So can I be frank? If you vote for me, please do. I want, but vote because vote because I have passion in what I do. I want. If I don't, then don't vote. Vote for them. By long they infuse passion with what they do. I want. But they back to bizarre identification, name, Tsepo Moses Kolwan, age 24 years, home village, Pitang, occupation. Did I mention that I'm a struggling football player? Yeah, I know I am. And to all coaches out there, whoever is interested in exploiting my skill, right, you can always call my agent on this number. Today we're going to be playing a guy, man. He's at the mall with a friend of his, and they're window shopping. When all of a sudden they see this goddess, this fascinating creature. So bear with me there. Hey, fitu sare do chile da ayer. Sare chile da Antoine. Da matsola nritsulo wa fufuna ra gayo da. Yanu is we wasting time here. Ke re survival. Let's start go na re go ntlu. These. Are you seeing what I'm seeing, Drade? She's beautiful, both in form and appearance. Kamucheka, waring. I can ameno. Iwi gana mazinho kamucheka. Get out. Yeah, no cut.